Today's session focuses on turning a simple food photo into a polished advertising-style image. Begin with color correction. Boost vibrance but keep tones natural. Enhance highlights on juicy or glossy areas like sauces or fruits using dodge. Add controlled shadow depth under the plate or bowl for contrast. Introduce steam brushes for hot dishes or condensation for cold beverages. Add gentle reflections on metal or glass surfaces. Sharpen selectively to highlight textures like crust, seeds, or frosting. Add a clean background gradient and place subtle text lines for branding. The final shot looks magazine-ready and appetizing. Let's